అవార్డ్ సెరమనీని స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం. మరి అవార్డ్స్ అందించవలసిందిగా మినిస్టర్ శ్రీ కేటీఆర్ గారిని, అలాగే సోను సూద్ గారిని అండ్ జయేష్ రంజన్ గారిని కోరుతున్నాము. విల్ స్టార్ట్ విత్ ది ఇండివిజువల్ కేటగిరీ ఫస్ట్. దయచేసి అవార్డీస్ అందరూ కూడా స్టేజ్కి కాస్త దగ్గరగా ఉండవలసిందిగా కోరుతున్నాము. First, we are going to start with the individual category. We have 29 individuals today in this event. Munduga, Shravya Reddy. ఈ రోజు స్టేజ్ పైన ఉన్నవాళ్ళు, స్టేజ్ పైకి రాబోతున్నటువంటి వాళ్ళు అందరూ కోవిడ్ గురించి, పాండమిక్ గురించి గత 2 సంవత్సరాల నుంచి కష్టపడుతూనే ఉన్నారు. కాబట్టి మీరు కష్టపడుతూ మీరు క్లాప్స్ మాత్రం ఆపకండి. స్టేజ్కి లెఫ్ట్ నుంచి మీరు ఎంట్రీ తీసుకోవచ్చు. దయచేసి అవార్డీస్ అందరూ కూడా స్టేజ్కి కాస్త దగ్గరగా ఉండవలసిందిగా కోరుతున్నాము. వీ హ్యావ్ శ్రావ్య రెడ్డి ఆన్ స్టేజ్, రామ్ కుమార్, సాయి చరణ్, మిస్టర్ రామ్ కుమార్, రాబిన్హుడ్ ఆర్మీ, అలా మీరు చప్పట్లు కొడుతూ ఉంటే ఇక్కడున్న వాళ్ళందరికీ కొండంత బలాన్ని ఇచ్చిన వాళ్ళు అవుతారు. డాక్టర్ లక్ష్మీ తేజస్వి, ఆదిత్య చౌదరి, Aditya Chaudhary, an 18-year-old Aditya Chaudhary used Twitter to combat COVID-19 to help with dozens of requirements. Vaishali Sagar, she's managed distribution of packed food, dry ration to tribal welfare department, old age homes, transgender community. Anil Ambati, on behalf of Anil Garu, his family is here. Anil Kumar Chepuri, ఒక కోవిడ్ వారియర్ సోను సూద్ గారు. Sir, all people whom you have met, they are the Sonu Soods of our Telangana. And now I request Sonu Sood garu to speak and address the gathering, please.
Hi, good morning everyone. First of all, a huge thanks to Jay sir for making me meet all these heroes under one roof. Of course, KTR Garu, I always tell all my friends, in Punjab, in Mumbai, everywhere, I said, if you need to have a leader like KTR Garu, I think you don't have to work really hard. So I remember when, we all were introduced to COVID. No one realized that this is going to be so tough, last 1.5, 2 years, we all have experienced it. We thought that in a week's time, everything is going to end, but it's still there. And I think that's what has introduced to heroes like you. We always say that, okay, the first wave has ended, the second wave has ended, what about the third wave? So I always tell the third wave is already there. The people who have suffered because of this COVID, people who have lost their jobs, people who are not able to send their kids for their studies, they are not able to get medically treated. So everyone is suffering every single day. So our job doesn't end today with this evening, but it begins. It has to continue forever. When I started When I started connecting with migrants, I remember there were close to 7.5 lakh people I connected during the whole movement. And I never realized that those 7.5 lakh people will become my volunteers throughout the country. And when we were helping people, sending them, oxygen or medicines or arranging those beds. So we used to call them in the middle of night, man, which part of Telangana you are, which part of Andhra you are, which part of Punjab you are. So they used to go on their bikes, on their scooters to those interiors of villages to give whatever they could. So I think that's what made me realize that, you don't have to really work hard. I think sometimes the prayers do the wonders. And there's a colleague of mine who's an actor. He called me in the middle of night. He said, "Ki Sonu, kaise kar lete ho ye sab? How things happen. That, koi आपको ऑक्सीजन बोलता है तो फटाफट ऑक्सीजन पहुंच जाता है. If someone calls for a medicine, आप medicine भेज देते हो." So I said, I don't think twice calling somebody I don't know for somebody I don't know, because you just need to pick that one call and you can save a life. We always think that, okay, we have taken a favor from someone, we have called someone to arrange a bed or to help someone financially, medically. So again another call comes after 10 minutes. So you make another call, then another call comes, because you're spreading your wings and people are putting that kind of faith in you that, okay, this individual can help. And then you think, yeah, why should I take so much of favors? Yeah, what will that individual think? Yeah, man, every 10 minutes you're calling, every half an hour you're calling. So then you stop doing what you are doing. I think that's the time you should begin. Tell them, sir, I'm going to call you for another 100 people. I'm going to call you for another 1,000 people. But sir, please keep on helping me, because together only we can save lives. So I think this is what we all have experienced. No one knew how to, reach out to all these people. But we were exploring, we were inventing ourselves every day. I remember when you do all this, there will be a lot of people who will say, you have a reason behind doing this. There's a motive behind whatever you're doing. So I remember there's a very famous thing said by someone, I shared with KTR Garu also when I met him for the first time. They said कि पाप के 4 हथियार होते हैं. They have got 4 weapons, पाप. When you start doing work, the पाप will throw the first weapon, which will say कि अपेक्षा क्या है? What is the reason behind that whatever you are doing, good you are doing, you are helping people. There's some reason, man. This guy wants to get into politics, or this guy wants to do something. That's the reason he's doing it. And the individual who is working to save a life or to do good, he stops working. He said, यार मेरा क्या काम है बॉस, मैं तो हेल्प करने निकला था और आप मुझे बोलते हैं मेरा कोई अपेक्षा है, a reason. So he stops and Paap wins. But few people cross that barrier. So then Paap throws the second weapon, which is, they start, demoralizing yourself, or they'll say something कि बॉस इससे कुछ होने वाला नहीं है, ये बंद कर देगा अपना काम, देखना अभी 1 हफ्ते के लिए help kar raha hai, he's helping people, and then he's going to stop, you see. And the person who's helping people, he says, yeah, I am doing good, yeah, why are they saying all these things to me? I will stop, I don't want to do. And the good work you had begun stops. But few people cross that second stage also. Then Papam throws the third weapon, which is hatya. Either someone gets किसी को गोली मार दी, किसी को सूली पे चढ़ा दिया, someone, it's a character assassination, some kind of a thing. They will try to stop you from reaching your goals. And the individual who's helping people, he said, yaar, I don't want to do. I was helping people. Why should I get into all this mess? I don't want to help. And Paap wins. But few people cross that also. So then the Paap throws the final weapon, which is Shraddha. Then people start treating you as God. People said, man, he's an ultimate man, he's a God. So you were doing good things and you get into a frame of mind that, okay, I'm God. So now I'm only going to preach. I'm not going to do anything. And the work stops and Paap wins. So I would say every individual will be facing these stages somewhere or other at some stage of life. Your relatives, your friends, someone will point out, boss, you have a reason behind it, but don't stop. Don't let that Paap win. You have to cross all those stages. You have to continue this for life. Doesn't really matter the COVID is going to end, everything is going to become normal, because someone somewhere in some part of the world will be waiting for that one call from you which can change that life.
Thank you, my principal secretary and a friend who's done a terrific job. I think Jayesh Ranjan deserves a huge round of applause from all of you guys. You know, rarely have I seen a bureaucrat, you know, who's been in service for almost 30 years. Because you know what happens is when you come into government and beyond a point, you start getting cynical about everything. You start generally, you know, looking at things through the prism of bureaucracy, and typically that tends to bog you down. Jayesh, my compliments to you on staying so positive. I think to stay positive after 29 years into service is not a joke. So I think you deserve a huge round of applause from the entire Hyderabad ecosystem. Thank you for all the work, all the good work you've done. And I think Sonu Sood, I don't need to say more than one thing. I think there are many of us who have responsibilities. Now, I'm an elected public representative, therefore it is my duty to serve the people. But I think gentlemen like Sonu Sood, who have done stellar work, you know, pure humanitarian work without a motive. I think he's a real hero, deserves a huge round of applause. Sonu, you have inspired millions of people across not only India, but also other parts of the world. My compliments to you on a terrific humanitarian work. आपकी जो काम थी, हमें न सिर्फ हमें की बल्कि बहुत सारे लोगों को आपने एहसास दिया कि कॉर्पोरेट सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी तो होता ही है, बट इंडिविजुअल्स का भी सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होता है, हर किसी का होता है. सो माय कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स टू यू ऑन अ टेरिफिक वर्क इन द लास्ट 1.5-2 years. I think guys, each of you who've been recognized here, I think only some of you have been recognized, like it was pointed out. Raj and others have mentioned that more than 850 or nearly 1,000 people who are part of the SIG, but only 250 of you could make it here. But a big round of applause to all of those who are not able to make it but have done terrific work. Now, COVID was one crisis which none of us anticipated. I think it was a huge challenge for the entire humanity. It was not the role of a government or just a non-government organization or even for that matter, an institution. It was a challenge thrown at the entire humanity and how we've been able to step up in spite of not knowing how to handle it, in spite of not really having the ability when we began to be able to, you know, kind of predict, project, understand how this is going to pan out. I think in spite of all the obstacles, we've done reasonably well, but we are not out of it yet. I think that's one thing we keep forgetting, we keep getting complacent. But I would like to say one thing. Many people, you know, when I'm very active in social media, I'm on Twitter, I'm on other channels as well. You know, it's very easy to criticize. It's very easy to sit in the comfort of your own home. It's very easy to sit in the comfort of your own office and, you know, drop in a few lines criticizing the government or criticizing an individual or criticizing somebody who's trying to do some work. But it's very difficult to actually get out of that comfort zone and start doing something on your own. And that is exactly what you guys have done. You got out of your comfort zone in spite of all the challenges, in spite of all the problems that were inundating us during COVID. Personally, in fact, I just met one gentleman who was telling me, I forgot his name, but I'll remember the words he mentioned. He had said that while he was suffering with COVID, while he was in ICU for 14 days, his wife was actually outside trying to coordinate with the rest of the world and trying to help the rest of the world while he himself was suffering in the ICU. So that is the kind of effort people have put in, and that is the kind of stellar, valiant efforts that have gone in. Like, you know, our elders have said, the good karma that you gather, the goodwill that you gather, the punya that you gather, as they call it, is definitely going to help your children, is definitely going to help you. And I am very positive. You know, when I say this, I mean it with all my heart. No, it's not the length of life that matters. We all live, we all die. It's not the length of life that matters. It's the depth of life that really matters. And that's exactly what you guys have done. You have come out, you've stepped up, helped a fellow human, showed the rest of the world that in fact, humanity does exist and humanity continues to, do good when it matters. Sonu mentioned about the 4 things that will get thrown at you by PAP, as he called it. Apeksha, Alochna, Hatya, और आखिरी में Shraddha. These 4 things he had mentioned. What he was trying to say was, Edaina, I'll switch to Telugu for a bit, Sonu. I think you understand Telugu. Your wife is Telugu, so you obviously have to understand Telugu. I don't think you have a choice. Kada? So I'll switch to Telugu. What he was trying to say was, మనం ఏదైనా మంచి పని మొదలు పెట్టినప్పుడు పాపం అనేది మొదట ఈయన ఆపేక్ష కోసం అంటే పేరు కోసం కీర్తి కండూతి కోసం ఏదో చేస్తున్నాడు అని మొదలు బద్నాం చేస్తారు. ఈయనకి ఏదో వేరే మోటివ్ ఉంది, ఏదో చేయాలనుకుంటున్నాడు, లేదా రాజకీయాల్లోకి రావాలనుకుంటున్నాడు, ఏదో పదవి కావాలి, లేదా ఇంకేదో కావాలి అని మొదలు బద్నాం చేస్తారు. అది దాటిన తర్వాత, ఆ స్థితి దాటిన తర్వాత ఆలోచన అంటే విమర్శ చేస్తారు. విమర్శతో మిమ్మల్ని డిమారలైజ్ చేసి అక్కడికే ఆపేసే ప్రయత్నం చేస్తారు. అది కూడా ఫెయిల్ అయిన తర్వాత మీ క్యారెక్టర్ అసాసినేషన్ చేసే ప్రయత్నం చేస్తారు అన్నారు. ఇది ఎవరికో కాదు, సోను సూద్ గారికి కూడా జరిగింది. ఆయన ప్రయత్నం ఏదో ఆయన చేసుకుంటూ అంతో ఇంతో కష్టపడి ప్రజలకు సేవ చేసే ప్రయత్నం చేస్తుంటే ఐటీ దాడులు, ఈడీ దాడులు, రకరకాల దాడులు, ఎందుకంటే భయపడుతున్నారు ఏం చేస్తారో, మళ్ళీ ఈయన రాజకీయాల్లోకి వస్తే మాకెక్కడ నష్టం అని చెప్పి రకరకాల దాడులు చేసే వాళ్ళు కూడా ఉన్నారు. బట్ सोनू डरना नहीं, किसी से डरना नहीं. जिंदगी बहुत छोटी है और उसमें जितना हम कोशिश करें, जैसा आपने दिखाया इस साल में, जितना हम कर सकते हैं एक इंडिविजुअल लेवल पे और एक सेलिब्रिटी के लेवल पे, आप जैसे सेलिब्रिटी ने जो दिखाया, यू आर द रियल हीरो. यू शुड नॉट बी डिटर्ड, यू शुड नॉट बी वरीड अबाउट एनी सच थिंग. वी आर ऑल विथ यू. एंड द लास्ट थिंग इज सेड, once you do good work, then you get into that demigod status. आपको भगवान बना दे के आपको एक मंदिर बना देंगे आपके लिए. कई मैंने तो देखा था कि आपके लिए किसी ने मंदिर भी बना दिया, बट उसमें मत जाना. ये ना बोलना कि मैं गॉड बन गया तो मैं अभी प्रीच करूंगा, कुछ नहीं करूंगा. So we are all going to work together, governments, non-government organizations, and whatever I am saying to Sonu Sood also applies to each and every one of you. Some of you had spoken to me and said, हमें और कुछ करना है. We want to do more. We will absolutely stand by you. The government of Telangana will work with you. I request you to reach out through SIG to Jayesh Ranjan. He's not only the Secretary for Industry and IT, he's also in charge of the corporate social responsibility from government of Telangana. So continue to do the good work, continue to reap good karma, continue to inspire others, fellow humans, to do more. Once again, I wish you all the very best, and let's hope together collectively we'll come out of this pandemic in the days to come, in the weeks to come. Thank you. Jai Telangana.
Thank you so much, sir. So that was our young dynamic leader, KTR garu. మన తెలంగాణకి బంగారు తెలంగాణగా మార్చినటువంటి ఒక యంగ్ అండ్ డైనమిక్ లీడర్. ఇంకొకసారి గట్టిగా మనం అందరం చప్పట్లతో వారు చెప్పిన ప్రతి ఒక్క మాటని మనం అంతా ఫాలో అయితే ఇంకా మునుముందు చాలా సేవలు చేయొచ్చు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ సార్ ఫర్ గ్రేసింగ్ ది ఒకేషన్.
The result, of course, is today, where all of you have been felicitated. So first off, I'd like to thank Jayesh Ranjan ji for bringing this idea to life, because if it were not for his leadership, you wouldn't be here, we wouldn't be here. Next up, of course, Sonu Sood ji is probably so used to so many compliments coming his way, but you've added a big chunk of more Hyderabadis to your long list of fans and followers. Thank you, Sonu ji, for being the person you are. And of course, it goes without saying, KTR garu, we are so grateful for your leadership. I want to jokingly say that I think you've given millennials a run for their money with regard to your Twitter operations. You're so prompt on Twitter, and a lot of us here are quite amazed at the swiftness with which your team responds. So thank you for that. I'd like to thank other participants who've helped TSIG organize this event. There's the Telangana Police, the Rachakonda Police, Hyderabad City Police and Cyberabad Police. Along with various industry bodies, all of you are here, and media personnel, of course, for sending us names and numbers of people and entities who've gone above and beyond in helping humanity. I'd like to thank Dilip Konatham Garu for his guidance, to Narendra Garu from Jayesh Garu's team, who's been constantly helping us in the background, to my entire team in Telangana Social Impact Group and Surge Impact Foundation and AIC. I have to take the names. You'll have to excuse me because these people really deserve their names to be called out. Sai Charan, Vaishnavi, Chaitanya, Prashant, Abdul, Srilata. They dotted the I's and crossed the T's till the end. And of course, to our event partner, Mark 7, they have been up all night, Purnima Bhanni, Sriram, Manjula Khaja for organizing this event. And finally to Raj Janagam for being a wonderful co-host and colleague in this journey as we try to make a difference. Thank you so much. God bless.